Inspired by The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, Grok is not your average AI. It's anti-woke, delivering unfiltered responses to spicy questions. What's Musk's secret? With real-time data from X, Grok is smarter and more up-to-date than its competitors. From playful banter to ethical boundaries, Grok promises a unique blend. So here in this video, we'll be talking about the details of Grok's personality, its competitive stance in the AI landscape, and the potential impact it might have on human-AI interactions. Elon Musk's new AI venture, X.AI, debuts Grok. Elon Musk's latest AI effort, X.AI, introduces Grok, a chatbot inspired by The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. Grok boasts wit, a rebellious streak, and a willingness to tackle spicy questions that other AI might avoid. Musk showcased Grok's capabilities on X, emphasizing its real-time access to data from X, providing an edge over competitors. The bot recently responded to a request for a cocaine recipe with humor. While X.AI acknowledges that, like any large language model, Grok may generate false information, it surpasses other models in its class, as per initial tests. Musk positions X.AI as a challenger to industry players like OpenAI and Inflection. Grok, named after a term coined by Heinlein, is currently in early beta, available to select users before a wider release. Musk envisions Grok as part of X Premium Plus, a $16/month subscription service. X.AI's mission is to create AI accessible to diverse perspectives, challenging the trend toward overly politically correct systems, and Grok serves as a public test of this approach. The company, formed in July with a team from OpenAI, DeepMind, and more, continues to expand its workforce. The launch of Grok by X.AI. Elon Musk's X.AI has unveiled Grok, a new AI model, as part of Musk's strategy to enhance user engagement and sales on X, the social media platform he acquired in 2022. Musk aims to compete with rivals like Meta, which recently introduced numerous AI chatbots across its platforms. Despite concerns about content moderation, Musk's X.AI, formed earlier this year, is making strides in the AI space. Grok, designed to be sassy and humorous, and is said to rival models from Meta and Inflection in benchmark tests. However, experts warn about potential biases and risks associated with less strict content moderation. While Musk claims Grok's capabilities match those of major models, others caution that building AI for business revenue differs from creating consumer-friendly chatbots. As Musk's team at X.AI competes with established players like OpenAI, questions about safety, reliability, and performance linger in the rapidly evolving AI landscape. The anti-woke chatbot with X's real-time edge. What sets Elon Musk's AI system, Grok, apart from others like ChatGPT, is its anti-woke approach, aiming for less censorship on sensitive topics. Musk has criticized ChatGPT for perceived censorship and launched Grok to represent his version of truth. Grok's uniqueness lies in its real-time news accuracy as it sources data from Musk's platform X, utilizing user posts under X's updated user agreement. This access to a wealth of information gives Grok an advantage over other AI projects, especially since X has restricted access to its API for various generative AI projects, including OpenAI. However, X has faced a decline as a news discussion platform due to Musk's changes, impacting its influence. Despite having 244 million daily users, a large majority are passive, with only a fraction actively posting or engaging on the platform, posing challenges for Grok's data input and overall effectiveness. Elon Musk's latest venture, Grok, sets out to redefine AI chatbot experiences by adopting an anti-woke stance, emphasizing less censorship on sensitive topics. In response to his criticism of ChatGPT's perceived limitations, Musk introduces Grok as a tool for providing what he considers a more truthful representation of information. Grok stands out by sourcing its data from X, leveraging real-time insights from the social media platform Musk acquired. Musk envisions Grok as a more accurate source of truth, particularly on current news topics, thanks to its access to X's updated user agreement, enabling the use of people's posts to fuel the system. Despite concerns about potential biases and misinformation tied to user-generated content on X, Musk remains optimistic about Grok's role in challenging mainstream stories and developing open dialogue. Exploring Grok's light-hearted persona. Elon Musk recently teased Grok's personality by sharing a screenshot of a user asking for a step-by-step guide to making cocaine. Grok's response, filled with humor, suggested steps like obtaining a chemistry degree and setting up a clandestine laboratory. However, it swiftly added a responsible disclaimer, urging users not to attempt illegal activities. This playful yet ethical approach highlights Grok's unique character, blending humor with a strong commitment to responsible behavior. The chatbot's ability to engage users in a light-hearted manner while maintaining ethical boundaries showcases its potential as an entertaining and responsible AI companion. The witty AI chat companion. The latest creation from his AI company, X.AI, aiming to revolutionize the world of artificial intelligence, Grok, inspired by the Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, boasts a distinctive personality with a bit of wit and a rebellious streak. Musk envisions Grok as more than just a conventional chatbot, injecting humor and a unique persona into its interactions. The name Grok itself, signifying intuitive understanding, adds to the intrigue of this AI venture. Musk showcased Grok's playful side by sharing a screenshot of its response to a query about making cocaine, combining humor with a responsible disclaimer against illegal activities. In a competitive AI landscape, Grok stands out by challenging norms, offering users an engaging experience beyond straightforward answers. Initial tests suggest Grok's potential, outperforming others in its class but trailing behind the formidable ChatGPT model, GPT-4. While the question remains whether Grok can rival established giants like OpenAI, Inflection, and Anthropic, its early success hints at a promising future in reshaping human-AI interactions. How does Grok's foray into creative expression mark a shift in the capabilities of AI beyond conventional interactions? Let's find out. Elon Musk's AI creation, Grok, composes a love poem. Elon Musk, the world's wealthiest individual and tech icon, recently shared a love poem crafted by an artificial intelligence tool called Grok. The poem, beginning with the enchanting lines, "In love, we find a universe aglow, a cosmic dance of hearts that ebb and flow," was posted on X, Musk's platform formerly known as Twitter. Notably, Grok is the brainchild of Musk's company, X.AI. The post stirred varied responses worldwide, with some users marveling at the AI's creative output, while others remain skeptical, arguing that AI can never truly grasp the essence of literature. Elon Musk, widely admired across generations, particularly among the youth, continues to make waves not just in business but also in the tech and AI realms. The sharing of Grok's poetic endeavor adds another layer to Musk's promotion of this AI creation. The poem's initial lines, "In love, we find a universe aglow, a cosmic dance of hearts that ebb and flow. It lifts us up like stars that gently rise, a symphony of souls that gently harmonize," were posted on Musk's platform, X. The post has garnered over 20.1 million views and sparked diverse reactions from users. Some praised Grok's understanding of love, while others questioned the poetic quality and AI's ability to comprehend literature. Musk introduced Grok as an AI chatbot to compete with the influence of ChatGPT, limiting its current use to a select group of US users during the testing phase, with plans for wider availability after testing completion. Elon Musk's Grok, the cool AI buddy, is causing a stir in the tech world. Picture an AI that's not just smart, but also has a playful and rebellious side. That's Grok. It's like an anti-woke friend, delivering real and unfiltered answers to your questions. What makes it extra special is that it gets its info in real time from Musk's social media platform X, making it super sharp and up to date. Grok has proven it can handle tricky questions with a mix of humor and responsibility, making it a unique and engaging AI companion. As Musk's X.AI takes on big players like OpenAI, Grok's early success hints at a future where AI isn't just smart, but also has a personality, making tech a lot more fun for everyone. That's all for today. What role do you see Grok playing in the future of human-AI interactions, and can it compete with giants in the field? Let us know in the comments section. If you enjoyed our video, do subscribe to our channel to stay updated. See you soon.